Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Veggie Week. Today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, day 4 of Veggie Week. Last night we were in the Sichuan province where I prepared Sichuan blaze noodles. Sorry, it's early. This was a fun one. I just started actually using Szechuan peppercorns, actually. This particular recipe called for ground Szechuan peppercorns, which I was able to do, of course. Szechuan peppercorns or Szechuan pepper has a neat little effect. It definitely has some heat, but it's not like red pepper heat. It's really good. I added some mushrooms to last night's, and I love mushrooms, especially when you leave them really thick. You know, they act, to me, it's the mouthfeel of a protein. Like, you know, I'm not saying it replaces steak. I'm not saying that. But I like the mouthfeel of good, thick mushrooms. All right. So tonight, as we continue Veggie Week, we're going to Mongolia. I don't know if this is actually a Mongolian recipe, but I'm doing Mongolian Vegetable Stir-Fry over rice. Let's get to it. Of course, the champion is out. This will be 2 days now in a row. Got the crockery for the rice. I might do brown rice. I don't know. This one's super simple. We have a little bit of oil for the wok. Red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, zucchini. I'm going to add a little bit of onion to this. Got to have onion in a stir fry. Just my personal opinion. Today's garlic day. So we got garlic, ginger, a little bit of brown sugar. I'm going to be using snap peas. It calls for snow peas, but this is what I have on hand. And more mushrooms. For the sauce, it's super simple. Some veggie stock, some soy sauce, a little bit of cornstarch for thickening. That's it. That's how simple this one is. Prep's not too bad. Like I said, right now I'm considering using white rice, which I might switch over to brown. So yeah, that's day 4. This will be day 4 for Veggie Week. I'm having a lot of fun with this. I hope you are too. So on this Wednesday, this wacky Wednesday, there we go. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.